Today I'm going to teach you how to make a snot ball. SNOT stands for studs not on top. Usually when you build Lego, you build up and the studs are on top. But this snot ball has studs pointing to all directions. To make a snot ball, you need certain Lego pieces. These are the pieces you'll need. You need 7 4x4s, 12 2x1s, 6 2x4s, which are these, 6 2x2s, and 8 snot bricks. If you don't have some of these snot bricks, you can use ones like these. To make the faces, you need 1 4x4. Then you put 1 2x4 on top, you put 2 2x1s on the sides like this, and you add 1 2x2 on top. That's one face. Now I will make the other ones. Now we'll make the center. For the center, you'll need 1 4x4. Then you add the snot bricks to the sides like this. Now to put the faces on. To put the faces on, you need the studs on this side and these holes here. So you connect it like that, corners to corners. And you keep doing it for all the sides like this. Then for the top, you add one on top like that, corner to corner. The last part is the trickiest. You have to get this right, and because these studs might not hold it, so you have to be very careful on how strong and how hard you're pushing in. Put them like this so that the studs on top, so you can put the face on top and push it in. Oop, come in. Let me fix that. If you're finding it too hard to use all the studs, you can just use a few. So like this, and you push that on like that. There. This is how you make a snot ball.